Hi, how are you? With this video, I'm going to show you how you can use these two apps, Dictation IO and Natural Reader, to help you with your oral task, with your oral productions, right? So the first thing you have to do is go to your browser. Here I have my browser. I'm using Chrome at the moment, but you can use the one you're more familiar with or you're more comfortable with, right? So here I write Dictation IO, right? And this is the screen that appears, right? Of course, you can read that, but what we are going to do is to launch Dictation. And once you launch Dictation, you have this kind of piece of paper. Of course, you have here I have some ads because I'm using the free version, but the important thing, you have to select the language you're going to talk, and here you have the microphone. So the first thing, if imagine that you have to prepare a monologue or you have to do something speaking in English. So the first thing you can do is to prepare in advance, think about what you're going to say, and once you're ready, you click on the microphone and you begin speaking in English. Once you begin speaking, you will see that something is being written here, right? So if you use the right pronunciation, then you will be able to check it. And if you see that there's something that is not well pronounced, then you will realize which word or which phrases are not pronounced correctly, okay? I'll show you how it works now. So I have selected this language, English from the United Kingdom, but if you click on here, you can see that there are many languages you can choose. I'm going to leave it the way it is, and I'm going to click on the microphone, right? Then it is saying the microphone is being used. Hi, I'm here to tell you about the oral production that I have to do. Okay, I'm going to stop the microphone. You see, this is exactly what I have said. Of course, there are not full stop, commas, but it gives you an idea of what you're saying, right? Okay, so I hope that can help you. The second app I'm going to show you is Natural Reader. Imagine that you find out that you do not know how to pronounce something. Okay, so in that case, let's go to Natural Reader. Natural Readers. Okay, so here it is. You can get started. Here you can listen to some people, and let's click on here. Get started for free, right? So this is dialogue that appears, right? You can read it. I'm going to delete it, and now I'm going to write something that I want someone else to read it for me. Hi, I am here to tell you how this app works, for example, right? So here I have this girl, but these are the voice of the person, but I can change it. I can use some other people's voices. So you have to check the one you like. I'm going to leave it this Ada, or maybe I can change it to Sonia, okay? And I'm going to click on this button, and it will begin to say what I have written aloud.
Hi, I am here to tell you how this app works.
Right? So as you can see, that can help you to see or to listen how a sentence or some words are pronounced. Okay, so I hope these two apps can help you with your oral production. Bye-bye.